All right, burps, a little variation of a burpee, a little bit more leg concentrated. What you're gonna do here is we're gonna start in a squatted position, right? Put the hands out so you can keep the weight back through the heels. Put the hands down, pop back similar to a burpee, pop right back up to that squat. Keep those hips low, so it looks like this.